I'm sure you are touched by what the Lord has taught us today. Sometimes some people say, I have not sinned. You see, you're comparing with yourself with some things that you have not done. You have not lied maybe. You have not, spoken ill of others or something like that. And you are just by yourself. But when you are close to the Lord, when you love the Lord, that is when you are present to the Lord, then you will see yourself as you really are. You see, we do not see ourselves. We cannot see ourselves. We have to have a mirror to see ourselves. So when we look into God, we see ourselves. But when we look into others, we may not see ourselves because they are also not in God. But if they are in God, then we will also be able to see ourselves. Now, yesterday I told you about criticism. The one who criticizes has got something in his or her mind by which they are passing judgment on others. They are assessing others. Now, those who are assessed will think that they are perfect because they can't see it. But then when they are telling you something, you don't like it. Maybe the mirror is all not very clean, so you can't see clearly.